Ink. This time we can use a paper. So you can use this paper, or I'm going to use a anyway tracing paper, yellow tracing paper, or I'm going to use this paper. Okay, white. So this size, which is 14 by 17. Let me see. 14 by 17. Okay. 8.5 by 11. 8.5 by 11. In fact, 8.5 by 11 should be okay. 8.5 by 11 size. I use a slightly bigger one. Okay, I use this paper. Yeah. I don't want this paper too big. Maybe I cut this paper. I don't want this paper too big. And also I make this one, what's this? So this is the working area. The working area, I want to make this guideline, okay, working area. Right. So I have this working area. Okay, I put this one here. Okay, so this is guideline. Make sure this guideline is very important. Always save this guideline. Save this guideline. This is horizontal line. Okay, horizontal line. Because later, if I remove from this desk, or I come back tomorrow, I can easy to find the point. So this is a vertical line. I'm going to make this line guideline. Okay, this guideline is really important. This line. So if I put this paper here, I'm going to take down. I'm going to save this guideline. Take a look, put this one paper here. Then I use take down. Okay. This top is option. Top. Sometimes I don't like it take too much. Okay. Put this one here. Okay, so now I can start working. Before start working, I suggest you use ink, use ultra fine. I suggest you use ultra fine. Always save a line, save this line, horizontal line. Keep working this horizontal line. Save this line, okay. It's very important. This horizontal line. And also I suggest you still can make one vertical. Okay, vertical. Anyway, this is the horizontal line. Oh, this is the vanishing points, okay. I always save this guideline. I don't mind from your paper, you can see this line. Anyway, take a look at it. I always save this line. Save this line, take a look at it. I use this paper. This drawing, I ink it. I always save this line first. See that? This line, horizontal line, is vanishing points. Unfortunately, I cannot find another vanishing points. We have another vanishing points. Okay, we have another vanishing point. I'm going to make a guideline in case to find this guide. In case if I need to save this line. Okay, then so this is why you have to use T-square. Okay, save this line. Save this line. It's really important to save this line. Save this vertical line. This is some guideline. Okay. Center. I know this is center line. Don't be afraid to add that line. Okay. Okay. Then this one, by the way, I'll keep up. So this is center. Then connect the VP, vanishing points. So from here, up to here, that's correct. Up to here. I always save this guideline. If I extend this line, perfect. Okay, so this guidelines, I would say, is not very important because we can find this. We can easy to find this vanishing points. Okay, guideline. This is VP. Save that. Okay, save that. I'm going to work in this one. So before I start working, okay, then from here connected to vanishing points. So this is extremely guideline. Take a look at it. I make a guideline. Guideline. See, few guideline. Don't be afraid. Perspective have to match your floor plan elevation. Okay, you have to match. That's required here. See this one here. Okay, it's here. If you need to adjust, absolutely you can adjust. Let me double check this one. Double check the machine. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna adjust this one. Adjust this switch up. Adjust this one to here. I have adjusted that eventually. 3 up. It's 1, 2, 3, 3 up. Here. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna adjust that. Take a look at I design like this. I can flip this one. I can make adjust. Let me see. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 to here. Then I make a push button here. Or I can adjust this push button to. I'm not working for here. Push button. Oh, that's okay. Push button here. Let me see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's good. See this one. We modify that. And make it to here. 1, 2, 3. Push button here. Okay, good. I'll do this. Button. Baseboard, never ignore the baseboard, okay? Never ignore baseboard. Okay, spot. This. Okay. Ink it. I ink this spot, okay? Ink it. 03 or 05. Let me double check this ink. Okay, it was 05. Okay, first I ink this glass. I work in the elevator. There's door panel. Door. Let me see. I remove this paper. Okay. This one connected to VP vanishing points. Make sure. Okay. Connect with vanishing points. Here VP. Okay, perfect. So this one connect to VP. Left VP I might use T square. This is structure. Okay. Connected to vanishing points. Okay. Another vanishing points. Always connected to VP. Okay, required. Okay. Okay, we spot door. Okay. Connect it from top. Make sure you connect it to VP. I can use this one. Vanishing points. Okay, here. This is sitting edge. Sitting edge. Okay, perfect. Then The molding detail. Okay, molding detail to here. Okay. Just add more details. There's detail. Okay. The floor. I have this circle. Take a look at it. Okay, circle. Vertical line. Detail. Make sure you use a T-square and use a triangle. Okay. Detail. Okay. This elevator doors. Okay, take a look at this. Okay. Then connect it to the validation point. The top line for the elevator door. And also now I'm going to working for detail, trim, molding. Okay. Molding details. Connected to VP must. Okay. Required to connect to VP. See, that's details. Okay. Then I'm gonna working for detail for the, let's see, 1, 2, 3 for object. I'm working for here. 6-inch. Push button. Half into half. 1, 2, 3. Push button, okay, we can little bit of this one. Here to see half. Okay, perfect. Here. then vertical. Baseboard, never ignore base. Okay, I'll give it 6 inch. 6 inch. Okay. Top connected to vanishing points. Okay, I'll give it a thickness, this one. Thickness. Button this one. The detail. Vertical. Let's just add more details, okay? Okay, take a look at what I have now. This paper underneath. Okay, so anyway, this without the light weights right now, okay? Without the light weights, okay, without the light weights, so I get this one. The door and the details, okay? Elevator door, you can see detail trim, and also this is a baseboard, never ignore that, okay? And also, okay, so this part. Yeah, this is details, okay? And also this part, let's do kind of details. Anyway, this part I just want to center. I just want to center this one. Center, I add the detail. I add okay. Then I make a guideline. Detail. By the way, just want to finish it here. Top. Detail. Okay, that's center point. Center point. Middle point. I can use, you can use a freehand, it's okay. I just estimate I have a circle template, this one. I can use this circle template. The ellipse, not circle. That's ellipse template. Okay. Circle shape. But this is, I'm not saying that's required, okay? Yeah, okay. So this one is this really small. You cannot read it too many details, doesn't matter. Okay. Then this one. Start from here. Okay, I give a little bit more thickness for this one. Okay, so a little bit thickness. This is just more details. See, details. More detail for trim. Okay, and also I got this panel. I can extend this one. Extend to here. Always take a look at your floor plan, make sure that's, I wanted that to match, okay, make sure that's match. Okay. Top. Okay, this one over here, good, perfect. Thickness, never ignore, okay? Thickness. Detail, okay, this one here. So your ruler, so this is why your triangle, I would see as big as possible, okay? See? So now I got a shape like this. Take a look at details. Okay, this, okay, relation points, like the project 2, yellow sheet on the top, then final ink it. As more detail as possible. Okay, as more detail as possible. Yeah. So any more question? Remove this from this sheet. Because today I removed, so next time I come back, I can easy to find. Okay. Okay, so after I removed, so next time I come back, I use T-square. I still can go back to find it exactly. Okay, position I have here. So this spot, I'm going to working for coffee table. Okay, you can see here, coffee table. Make sure always connect to the VP. So from screen, I didn't show validation points. Okay, I didn't show validation points because if I show validation points, it's hard to read. Okay, so I ignore. But anyway, you can see my ruler. It's not always move parallel. That's supposed connected to validation points. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm working on this one. Center point. Validation points. Okay. The couch. I always make a floor plan first, okay? Floor plan. Okay. Use vertical line. Vertical line actually, this is really big. You can switch to. I'm going to change to small triangle. That's too big. I don't have enough space, so I switch to small triangle. Yeah, this is better for me. Yes, you can use a big triangle, big area, or you can use small triangle. It's up to you. Okay. Small triangle is better right now. Okay. Table top. So something I have overall, then rest the part, make sure like last project you can use your like this one, the size we have overall, we have the finder from the grid. Rest parts you can use your eyeball. Okay, this part we can use eyeball because we know how big we have grid. Okay, so this one just use eyeball. And also, don't forget to always make accessory, okay? Never ignore the accessory. Accessory, what does it look like, accessory? Go check, you can find a magazine. You can find it from reference picture, okay? Reference picture actually give you idea about what type of accessory you want it, okay? In the middle, okay. I always just make a plant. Connect to the VP. Not too big. Plant. See, I make a plant, and the side I can make. I can put some magazine. Okay, and also this one I got the space. I'm going to work this time. I'm going to working for traditional shape. So I'm going to make a leg. Okay. I'm making the leg. Take a look. I'm making the leg. This one look like a last project. I add the details. See? I make the leg. Okay. Okay. Use a ruler. Okay. Here's the leg. I said so far, if you got a sofa, always make the leg. Okay. Make a leg. Actually, this will make your drawing more interesting. Okay. Then connect it to Wiki. Vanishing points. Connect the vanishing points. It's pretty important. Okay. Okay, so now you can see I got a here's a chair. Okay, here's a chair, and also under table. Do you want under table? If you want to add it to under table, that's fine. If you want to add it to under table, we add a small under table. Before add on the table, I can make more detail for this space. Okay. It's just a detail, more details. Connected to VP, I make a small in the table. And the table absolutely is slightly bigger than it's bigger than a coffee table. Absolutely, okay. Okay, select. also in the table I want to include the, you can include the accessory also. Take a look at, I got at the table, okay, at the table. So you can include the lamp, okay. Lamp, I prefer first I make the access line, guideline, access line. Then I make a shade. Okay. Then shade, okay. Shade. Then we make details. Okay, details. This one connected to VP. Baseboard. Never ignore the baseboard. Okay. In detail. Okay. Then, like this one, I get a shape, corner. Trim detail. Export. Okay, now you can see I get an oval shape here. Okay, you can see this one. Okay, get an oval shape. Then we just keep that more details. Details I said here. I'm going to add pictures. Okay, add pictures. Pictures. Okay, picture frame, matterboard, and the image. Always include the, I suggest you always include the guideline, okay. Okay, so now I got a pictures. Then I just add more detail. Detail, 1, 2. also I want to add here this spot, the corner. I want to add the lighting fixture. Okay, you can add a light, the wall light. Okay, I add a lighting fixture. And also the detail for the frame. Okay, I add the details, and also this part I also add a detail. This part I add a detail. Okay. Okay, details, baseboard.
Okay, we're gonna start wrapping.
Trim.
Y'all are
Detail.
welcome to continue your conversations.
Okay, so now take a look at sketch from that. Take a look at. See that? Random sketch. Then, so this is just a freehand. I just refine the line. Okay, refine the line. This step, make sure this step is very important. Refine the line. I require you use ink because the transfer to next project. This is project 3, design drawing, project 4, project 5. Okay, you are going to transfer your drawing to marker paper or to pencil color paper. You're going to color project 5. Okay, yeah, project 5. So this time, this step for design as more accurate as possible. You have to connect to validation points. Okay, yeah.
Do we get to choose the type of paper?
No, this time everything is choosing paper.
No, when we go.
Oh, yeah,
You said
when you get a
cancel or
feather,
marker paper.
cancel or color, or cancel or mark, you decide. Okay, you decide what paper. So if any student want to add more detail, yeah, you decide. Or if any student, if you're interested in this type of paper, that time it's up to you. Okay, this type of paper, I would say still you can make a nice drawing, but only thing this paper is a little bit. Okay, but for quick sketch is good, but for long term, I cannot say it's not good. Maybe it's okay, yeah, but it can't create any specific effect. I think this one. Okay. So anyway, this is just the detail. If you want to add more detail for this part, yeah, I can keep add more details. Detail. This one. So I'm gonna use wood frame. Okay. And I'm missing something. I'm missing. Just go ahead and add. I'm sorry. Yeah, we can add a chandelier. Yeah. Chandelier or pendant light, it's up to you. Depending on your style. Okay, depending on your style. Depending. Okay, if you wanna include it. But anyway, for this one, I included this one. Included the coffee, the table and the seating area. Here's another wall panel. Okay, here's another wall panel. Another wall panel. We can keep it a little bit more. Yeah, for sitting, absolutely, you can add a chandelier. You can add a pendant light. Okay, so this part, which is your side for another wall. Okay, 1, 2. Make panel. Connected to VP. Okay.
Okay, so if you remember on Blackboard, when we first started this project, I believe y'all on it. Hopefully y'all downloaded it. I don't use it, download it.
Okay. Panel. That depends on your design. Need a match here. Detail.
And then talks about areas she plans to presently platforms and then
Okay. See. I get so this wall. I get this wall here. Okay. I get this wall, and also ceiling. If you want to add more detail, you can add more details. Okay, ceiling, for example, is foreground. Okay, I use pencil line.
it's not required, but
Okay, depend on if you include a chandelier or pendant light. We can include the. Still go back, check the pendant light. Think about the style. Okay, I'm going to make the. I make the access line, and also typical. We have to include the guideline. Guideline. I need to make sure that's center from chandelier. I have a guideline from grids. Okay. I make a guideline. The chandelier, like this type of pendant light, you can use for this one. You can use a freehand. Freehand is fine, but anyway, I still can use a template. It's not mandatory if you use this type of template. Okay, but if you have it, if you want to borrow mine, you can borrow. Okay, yeah.
Please do that now so that I don't have to click through it. I want to use for site outbox the work in
Okay.
progress video, and then
Okay, I have this one, this shape button light.
back,
Okay, drop down, and also
give you access.
I can do this. I add a little bit more detail.
So you might have to refresh Blackboard, but once you do, if you click back on box 12, you're gonna see a link to see your feedback. It's gonna look like this. You can simply find your name on the left for under who you are reviewing, and you'll see the feedback to the right. Okay, so during studio time, look through that feedback.
Okay, then.
Start making changes to your website, and then also follow up.
No. I just use a freehand, but anyway, I get this. Or I don't know. That's called pendant light or chandelier, depend on. Okay, maybe this is called pendant light. Okay, because this ceiling, this is 11 foot. Yeah, 11 foot, depend on. Chandelier, sometimes they have more crystal. Okay, but it doesn't matter. Okay, if you want to put chandelier, okay. It's more like a pendant light. Okay. Then I'm gonna make the shape. Okay. Okay. Here. Recess the ceiling. Okay. Detail. Connector VP is very important. Okay. Relation points. Okay. Okay. Now, below that. Okay, this one. Okay. Make sure vanishing point keep continue. Connect it to vanishing point. Connect everything. Okay. floor tile. Okay. Just add more details. Okay. And also floor. Yeah, if this floor, take a look at this floor. Right now, this is regular orientation. This one, but eventually, I want to do this. I want to do the 45 degree. Okay. You can decide depending on your floor. If you want a 45 degree, that's fine. You can use a 45 degree. For this one. Use a little bit also. I can try 45 degree. Use a brush. I just erase. But for I'm honest, for this drawing, this is not the final. You are not transferred to marker paper yet. Okay, so even you are not erase that, that's okay. Okay, so even this time, you can indicate that okay, eventually I'm going to change to 45 degree. Okay, yeah. Not 100%, but at least I raised I was 85%. Okay, that's good. Brush. Okay, floor, I'm gonna switch to 45 degree. Okay. Yeah, this brand is good. I think for mono. Okay, little bit sandy eraser. Maybe this is number 512A. This is the number. Okay, that's called. Brand is Tombow. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
If you use this one regular eraser, definitely. When you tape on desk, use T-square or line. Okay. Okay, so anyway, this one you can see the design. I'm going to switch. Take a look at I inked here. I inked here. You can see Apple pencil. So this is why you can use a different color pencil. I penciled, but finally I traced it. I forgot. Okay. Yeah. So this one I'm going to fix that. Fix it. Fix. Change this to here. From here. Okay. To here. Okay. Okay, that's to here. So this part we can ignore that. Okay, great. Then floor. Take a look at this one. This floor. Eventually, I wanna make a 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree. So anyway, I wanna use a different color pattern. First, I'm going to refine the edge. I'm going to this part use one color. The border I use one color. Okay, border, and also, but my oops. I need to use more tape. My tape seems. Okay, so this one connected to vanishing points. Okay, connected to VP. This one here. This one's supposed here. Okay, perfect. And also floor, so this floor, I want to rotate, take a look at it, 45 degree. If I want to rotate a 45 degree, okay, I start from central one. Let me see. I want to rotate a 45 degree floor. If I want to rotate a 45 degree, yes, you can do that. Make sure 45 degree, which is opposite corner. I use another color pencil. Take a look at this one. Offset corner. Take a look at. Rotate 45 degree. This floor. I wanna rotate 45 degree. Okay. See, 45 degree. Okay. Connect offset corner. This is too small. I wanna connect a bigger one. Too small. I connect this one. Take a look at here. See, then keep working 45 degree. Connect the opposite corner. This one. Different size. Here. See this looking good. Connect this one. Opposite corner. Then make this direction. Okay. There's one line. Connect opposite corner. This one to here. Which one is better? See, I connect the opposite corner. Okay. Then another one. Okay, so eventually diagonal, eventually I can make this piece dark color eventually. Okay, see, I want to make it like this time. Okay, so this is why I rotate 45 degree. So 45 degree you can find opposite corner roughly. Let me see roughly. I can start from this one. Connect it here. So this piece I need to connect it to back. Okay, so center. Connect, you can see opposite corner. See here. Oops. We can find one point from vanishing points. Okay. Take a look at. Oops. Okay, perfect. See? Then find a vanishing point into here. So this point, we get a one vanishing point. Okay, see here, I find another one. So here. Okay, we find it from here. From this point. Okay, find it from this point. Let me see here, that's fine. Okay, then you keep working. Keep working. This one here. Find a vanishing point. Take a look. I have new vanishing point here. Okay. Find a point. That's towards the vanishing point, towards the horizontal line. Okay. Then this one here. And this one. Here, perfect. Okay. Then another one. Okay, find a vanishing point, perfect. Okay, then another one again, you know. Keep working this spot. This spot, let me see. This is towards okay. Then keep working. Keep working. Getting smaller, okay? Okay, take a look at it. I got a diagonal line, one diagonal line. I'm modify that. Okay, modify that towards this way. Okay, and also I'm working for this direction. This direction you still connected to the grid. Okay, grids. Take a look at it. You can connect it from here. So in fact, from theory, you still can find a vanishing point. Keep going, keep going. You can meet it to one point from the horizontal line. Yes, keep continuing. But anyway, I don't have to do that. Okay, but you still can find from theory. Okay, I find it from here. Opposite the corner. Still opposite the corner. Here. Okay. Okay, good. So now go towards this direction. Take I got a one line. Another one. From theory, we still can find a vanishing point from a horizontal line, but but a little bit of challenge if I find it, but I just direct working. So here's one, here another one. Okay. I don't see you will find this one. It's hard to find this one. 2, yeah, this one here. 1, 2. Okay. Keep working. Okay. Keep working. One, two, three. Just random draw forward. Okay, good. Now take a look at it. I rotated this one 45 degrees. Oh, this one's supposed here. This is supposed here. One. Oh, that's correct. Okay. Take a look at it. I make this 45 degree, this one. Okay. So I make this one 45 degree. 45 degree, this one I modify here. Okay. So that's pretty much everything. So next step I just add some I get a cove light. So this is the I'm gonna mark down. So if you don't want to get a mistake, I want to make a light. You can fix that. I want to make a light from here. I want to make a one light from here. Here one light. This is I'm gonna use this color for me. It's so okay. For me, easy to read. Okay, I'm going to add this one here. So now I'm going to add one light. Look how connected to VP. Here one light. Okay, here. Okay, I get a one in the middle. I want a one light. Okay, all the way towards here. I get a one light here towards here. Okay, perfect. Here. Okay, can light. Okay, so this one I'm gonna make this one every 3 foot. 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, probably. Okay, so now I'm going to connect it to VP. Here. And here. For me, easy to remember here. Keep coming here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. Then I connect it to the vanishing points. Okay, this spot. Okay, so this part I can keep it here. Yeah, you can decide how many light you want it. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. Here, and here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, here one more light. One more light here. Recess, this is recess can light. Okay, recess can light. Eventually, I'm going to do recess can light. Okay, I'm right down here. Yep. Okay. Here, one light, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. Recess can light. Okay, I get a recess can light. Okay, here can light. Yep. Okay. And this part here, just a chandelier. This part keep it simple. Let me see this part. I want to make the. I just add more details. Okay. Truffle light, the ceiling, truffle ceiling. Let me see. 1, 2. Here. 4. Truffle ceiling. Okay. Okay, I pre-draw that then. I'm going to ink it. Make sure this is connected to vanishing point. I just add more details, okay? And more details connected to vanishing points, okay? This one here. 2 BP. Diagonal line connected to vanishing points. light. Oh, I get a sealing, different sealing type. Make sure this is white line. Okay. This is just add more detail for sealing. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now pretty much everything. I put take a look at, I put this sheet of paper underneath. Okay, so now, so anyway, this doesn't matter color. Okay, color, I know that.
The lines is stable.
But what if I'm
Oh, that's fine. I go straight up. I don't go underneath. Really?
That's where I had it before, right here.
A little bit wider. Last quarter I was like second. I like on this quarter. Last quarter. Oh no, I. Chị sẽ lấy chỗ của em. Chị phải rửa. Nó kêu là plastic mà như thực sự là chị sắp ra đó. Có lẽ như chưa là bởi vì nó transfer tệ quá.
I raised the line.
No, I see what you're saying now. This is pretty straight up, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're good.
Yeah, but I gotta go in to pour now.
Yeah. Let's just make the table smaller.
Yeah, that's
Don't care about the table either. Just ignore it. Okay. I was about to do model, and I was like, and I was like, but then they switched. That doesn't sound good.
Girl, you can do it.
No, I already did. Because we were so one time. Because the location changed. And I love it in reality, but
Yeah, me too.
not in drawing. I did.
So I moved this line up, right? We just go like this.
This part, so you can one it.
That's why I went back to it. That's why I had went in and went back.
I'm sorry, you can
Put it back, right?
Yeah, just leave it like that.
Because of this, that's what I was worried about.
Yeah, because I was like, that's not gonna be even.
It'll be even from up here. But here,
Because you see the one from here, it's not even from here either. Because it's already covered, so that's why you cannot see it. So this is even more, it's just keep going with this one. I thought you went too straight up, and I remember on that side it's not. It's not.
that's why I had put it back, because it didn't look right.
Yeah.
I had put it back too. I had went in, I was like, oh, it don't look right. Put it back.
Color pencil with red. I'm cool with red.
I don't like the pencils. They're too fat.
It's okay.
Yeah. It's too fat. That's why I like the mechanical pencil.
I was just making sure. Yeah, you're saying. Okay, yeah, I'll take care of that.
I think I'm gonna add 2 sconces. I'm gonna get a picture of 2 sconces, put them on each side. No, or maybe a plant on each side. I think we said put chairs here. Chairs. Right there. I need to add baseboards. Either couch or a bed or 2 chairs here. With a table. Not a table, just 2 chairs. Chairs, sorry. Thought we put it in.
all I got doing was war. So we kind of did war the whole time, but a little bit of Maya. Maya is joining. Well, I'm going to start to get creative. So I'm going tomorrow. That's at 1. Oh no, 3:33. Friday is busy tomorrow. Do you want to go, Maya? I'll go with the bus. I'll go with the bus.
I gotta see how I feel.
Are you going to do all of them? Yeah. Okay. Well, if I can. Well, if I'm in the lead.
There you go.
Because what? The vending mall? And then it's that Zoom meeting. And then that is Which light fixture do you think?
Gonna be good. Here's a ceiling. I added this vertical line for the wall. Okay. More detail for the molding. Okay, for molding, never ignore the details. Okay. More perspective. So I have a cove light, and also here's I get a recessed can light. Okay, recessed can light. This is something I just make a different texture for style. This one, yep. Just indicated the for trim. Okay, this indicated the trim molding. Yeah, take a look at any more detail. Do I need to add? Oh, by the way, this one I can add a little bit more detail for the color. Anyway, this one just depending on your style, add as more detail as possible. Okay. Details. Okay, this is just a detail for object. Okay, see, you can see more details. Just more details. Marble. Use marble. Reflection. Eventually I'm going to make a different color, different materials. Okay, anyway, I can make a marble texture. Make a few dots, will look like the marble material. Okay. This part is marble also. I'm going to add a different color eventually. Okay. And a pattern direction. Take a look at this part. This area pattern direction, which is like a regular direction. But what is it? But direction for the middle, I'm gonna rotate it 45 degree, okay? Double check. Okay. And reflection. Reflection is indicated. Okay. Okay, silver reflection. Marble, okay. Just random apply. And the vertical stroke indicated the reflection. Okay. I still can make a little bit the shape. I want to go this way. And do the vertical line. Okay. This one something. Vertical line here. I make a two different level, okay, two levels for the wall, okay. Also this part I want later I'm gonna create a can light eventually. I make a can light. Here I get the big pendant light, okay, pendant light, a little more details. Okay, so anyway, this part, so right now for design, just like this, it's okay. Cover 2 validation points required, okay. See, original, this one, this work. First step from here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Anyway, this weekend I'm gonna scan this one, then I provide you this demo works. Okay, I'm gonna provide you here. Anyway, right now I decided this one. We still have detail. Some detail I'm honest, I'm not decided yet. So this part I want this part. Take a look. I want hardwood, but this part I'm not making the final decision yet. This I want a marble, or I want a wood. Okay, I can make a decision later. Okay, yeah. So anyway, this one I leave here, and also I'm going to transfer. I need to transfer to floor plan because I modify this one. Take a look. I modify from this floor plan to this one, okay? So eventually I need a match. I need to match this one, okay? I need a match. So I'm going to transfer to floor plan. I finish design. Yeah, I finished it. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. I finished the design for this one. Okay, I finished the design. So next step, I'm going to go back to working for floor plan. Take a look at it. I'm going to go back to working for floor plan to match like match this. So eventually your floor plan, your elevation must be matched. Make sure. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to do this sheet. So we take a look at. Let me double check. Okay, so floor plan. You can you print this sheet. You can use this sheet, or you can use additional sheet. Okay, good. I get an additional sheet. Okay.